Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the right way how to open a Hot Wheel. So if you don't know me, I really do like Hot Wheels. Got one right here. Got a few more as well, but pretty much what you want to do is you want to pinch it like this. So if you just get your nail in there, and then it should come off like this. And there you go. So here's a Hot Wheel, and as you can see, not much of the card got ripped, which is actually pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the car. It's a 1991 GMC Syclone. It's a pretty cool car. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 오니 모습에 나는 dripping 피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping